In this video, guys, I'm going to show y'all how to properly layer HTV vinyl, guys. So in this video, we're going to use Thermoflex Plus for both the red and the white. And the shirt we're going to use is going to be a Gildan. The first step would be to get the logo you're going to want to create for your t-shirt. This is just going to be for educational purposes. I would not sell this, guys. I don't have the license to. But the first thing you're going to want to do is separate the colors. So as you can see, I have the white layer here and the red layer here. And combined together, this is how it's going to look, guys. Of course, the black helps because I have a black t-shirt. So you can take that into account. So it's like I'm using 3 colors, but I'm really not. The next step is going to be to cut out the design, guys. You're going to always want to mirror the design with HTV vinyl. So you're going to want to use the design on the left and not the one on the right, because it's going to cut out the design, guys. It's not printing the design or anything. So you're going to always want to make sure to mirror the design. So you're going to want it to always look like this in reverse. There's another quick tip as well. Hopefully this helps a little bit, step by step. The first layer we're going to cut out, guys, is going to be the red one. These are my cut settings if you're interested in. This is for Thermoflex Plus, and it's on my Cameo. Hopefully this helps a little bit. This is a quick tip, guys, for HTV vinyl. When cutting the vinyl, you're going to want to make sure that the dole side is up. So for example, both of these are dole on the top, and the bottom is glossy for both of them. This is just a quick tip if you're new to HTV vinyl. Hopefully y'all can subscribe and keep posted with my videos, guys. The next step is to unweed the vinyl, guys. This is an easy process. Okay, guys, this is after weeding out. It's looking pretty good. Right now, I'm just going to do the white now. And right now, we'll put it all together, guys. Guys, this is the last piece of the puzzle right here. Is going to be the white layer. And then we're going to go to press the shirt, guys. These are the 2 layers combined right now. I just have to go press them. It's looking really good, guys. Right now, I'll show y'all how I press it when I do multiple colors. So let's get to that. When pressing shirts, guys, you're going to want to make sure to pre-press the shirt just to take out the moisture. I have a heat gun just to check what temperature my heat press is, because it's not the greatest quality. But that's exactly what I want it to be, so that's good. So I always make sure to put a Teflon cover or any sheet to protect the shirt. And I'm just going to pre-press it now. Highly recommend getting one of these pressure things for the heat press. It helps get a really good pressure on the t-shirts, guys. I just highly recommend that as well. For the placement, guys, I like to keep the design about 3 inches or 3 fingers under the collar. And well, you want to make sure to center it. You want to take your time, guys. You don't want to rush it. And I already got it set, so I'm just going to press it already. Guys, for the first press, we're just going to press it for like about 2 to 3 seconds just to tack it down. Okay, I just pressed it for about like 2 to 3 seconds, guys. So now I'm just going to peel it off very slowly, though, because it is not fully down. Okay. Now it's time to layer the other color. I lined it up perfectly, so now I'm going to do the press. This is going to be the full press, so I'm going to press it for 15 seconds. Alright, guys, I forgot to show me peeling the red vinyl. But what I like to do is press it a final time after it cools down and stretch a little bit. And then press it one more time without any of the plastic. So y'all should do this. This does help the shirt last way longer. So I'm just going to press it for one last time. And that's it. This is something I don't recommend. I don't recommend stacking the vinyl on top of each other. Like here, I put the vinyl directly on top. So under this, there's still white. I would not recommend doing that. The only way you should do this is only like on decals for cars or stickers, but not on t-shirts, guys. I don't recommend it. It's too heavy. And I mean, it looks good, but I feel like it's just too heavy for a t-shirt, guys. So I would recommend doing it like this. Try to do layers. Just do layers. So just color by color, don't stack anything. That's the best way to do it, guys. If y'all made it to the end of the video, guys, please sub up. I'm going to post new content more consistently and give the best tips in the game, guys. I'm not going to hide anything from y'all. Straight truth. Stay tuned.